while finding out the center of mass, there is a common contention see wherever I put my mass m1, okay, wherever I put my mass m1, the coordinates relating to that item in the same subscript x1 y1 z1, then say m2 is here, then the corresponding x2 y2 and z2 are this. We get the point. And say it is m3, then the corresponding coordinates are x3 y3 z3, and maybe say m4 is here, then it is x4 y4 and z4, and then and somewhere there say it is mn xn yn zn, okay. And then obviously it can be also in this and this quadrant, the third and the fourth, no restrictions on that, though I have not shown it. And then I say that the coordinates of the center of mass x, y, z are given by x as what? m1 x1 plus m2 x2 mn xn upon m1 plus m2 plus mn, right? That's a common contention. So it is m1 y1 plus m2 y2 plus mn yn divided by m1 plus m2 plus mn, okay. And the z coordinate is, and obviously this was written as summation mi xi I is equal to 1 to n divided by summation mi yi divided by I is equal to 1 to n summation mi, and obviously the z coordinate is m1 z1 plus m1 z1 plus m2 z2 m3 z3 maybe mn zn upon m1 plus m2 plus mn, which is nothing but mi zi summation mi, okay. This convention has to be understood, otherwise there is normally a confusion. And obviously say my xyz may come somewhere here, correct?
That depends.
Okay, that can be here or there or wherever, right? Now we saw that our center of mass is specified like that, okay. What if this vector, okay, x y z, if I instead of 3 points x y z, I want it in terms of the position vector. What is the position vector of my center of mass? Fine. What is the position vector of my center of mass? So position vector is what? Position vector is this vector, right? So hold on. Oh, the say say this is my x, y, z, then this vector r is what? This is given by, this vector r is given by x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. Is it not? Now, if I do that and I write these values, then it is m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus, okay, mn xn upon, I write it as summation mi, fine, instead of writing this whole thing, and the denominator is the same in all the cases. So that I cap plus m1 y1 plus m2 y2 plus mn yn divided by summation mi plus m1 z1 plus m2 z2 plus mn zn k cap upon summation mi. Now what happens if I try to segregate the I, j, k components of x1, y1, z1? What do I get? I get m1 x1 I cap, this term, right, plus m1 y1 j cap plus m1 z1 k cap divided by summation mi. This is one of the terms. The next term is m2 x2 I cap plus m2 y2 j cap plus m2 z2 k cap upon summation mi plus dot mn xn I cap mn yn j cap mn zn k cap upon summation mi. Correct? Allow me to erase this. Now what is this? If I take out my m1, if I take out my m1 from here, what do I get? It is m1 x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap upon summation mi. Is it not? Plus m2 into x2 I cap plus y2 j cap plus z2 k cap divided by summation mi plus mn xn I cap plus yn j cap plus zn k cap upon summation mi. Now what is this? x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap is what? It is this, is it not? And this vector is r1, position vector. What are the position vectors? Position vectors always have their initial points at the origin. Fine? At the origin. So this is actually m1 r1 plus m2 r2 plus mn rn upon, since the the denominator is the same, so that remains as summation mi. So what do I get? Eventually I get I erase this, okay? So eventually I get R is equal to M1 R1 plus M2 R2 plus Mn Rn upon summation mi. Now what does that tell me? It tells me that everything that was all those three coordinates which till now were being expressed by three different equations, they have all come together and it is one equation that is giving me everything. Is it not? So when I am dealing in terms of the position vector, what happens? This is equivalent to all the three. It is giving you the value of x and y and z, everything. Why? Because it is after all R, which is what? The position vector of the point. So if you try to expand it, you will immediately find that all those three into this, no? X is equal to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus dot 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 mn xn upon summation mi, and same with y, same with z. We understand? We understand that? This will be helpful in finding out the velocity of the center of mass.